Hey there, digital future enthusiasts, ready to embark on another adventure through the crypto universe? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Polygon, also known by its market symbol, Matic. So, strap on your virtual reality helmets and let's get going. First off, let's get a grip on what Polygon actually is. Imagine a super expressway connecting various different cities, blockchains, facilitating the fast and secure transit of information and value. That's precisely what Polygon does. It's a multifaceted platform aiming to transform Ethereum into a multi-chain blockchain system, essentially an internet of blockchains. If you've ever dabbled in Ethereum, you might know that it can sometimes be a bit slow and expensive. That's because the Ethereum network, with all its popularity, gets overloaded. Enter Polygon, offering scalability solutions that make transactions faster and cheaper without compromising security. Polygon uses a technology called sidechains, which are essentially blockchains that operate parallel to the main Ethereum network, helping to distribute the load and, thus, increase efficiency. Another major advantage of Polygon is its ability to promote interoperability among blockchains. This means it facilitates smooth and secure communication and asset transfer between different blockchains. Matic is not just any digital token. It's the fuel that powers the Polygon network, used to pay transaction fees, participate in governance decisions, and incentivize network participants. Thus, holding Matic is not only an investment matter, but also a way to actively contribute to the Polygon ecosystem. Thanks to its scalability and efficiency, Polygon has become fertile ground for dApp development. From blockchain games to decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, Polygon is enabling a new wave of applications that would previously be unfeasible on the Ethereum network. In the vibrant world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Polygon is also making waves. With lower transaction fees and quick confirmation times, artists and creators are flocking to Polygon to launch their unique digital works. Like any emerging technology, Polygon faces its own challenges, especially when it comes to mass adoption and understanding of its technology. However, the opportunities Polygon offers in the current blockchain landscape are immense, especially for those willing to explore the frontiers of digital innovation. Polygon is quickly becoming a key piece in the blockchain puzzle, offering real solutions to scalability and interoperability issues. With a growing community and an increasing number of projects adopting its platform, the future of Polygon looks not just promising, but downright exciting. So, folks, I hope you enjoyed this journey through the universe of Polygon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic content like this. Until next time, keep riding the waves of crypto innovation.